Today we're making the easy chicken stuffing bake. Let's go! Get you some chicken, put it in the casserole dip. Now I'm just gonna season the chicken. I've got Kinder's seasoning, buttery garlic and herb, and then I'm just gonna do regular pepper. Now you're gonna take 1 packet of the onion soup mix, 8 ounces of sour cream, and 1 can of cream of chicken. I'm gonna put it in a bowl, mix it up, and put it on the chicken. Now you're gonna get your stuffing mix. Do 3/4 cups of chicken broth. Now we're just gonna put butter on top. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven on 325 degrees because I'm using glass. If you're not using glass, 350 degrees. We're out of the oven. It's been sitting for about 15 minutes, and we're gonna grab a piece and try it. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh.